Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best solar charger is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for Blink outdoor cameras, promising uninterrupted surveillance and eliminating the hassle of frequent battery replacements. This video will dive deep into the world of solar charging solutions for your Blink outdoor cameras, exploring various options, their features, and helping you choose the perfect solar panel to keep your security system powered up and running, day and night, rain or shine, without worrying about running out of juice. Number 5. Blink Outdoor Solar Panel, 3-pack. Extend the life of your Blink outdoor camera with this innovative solar panel. It's designed for easy installation and reliable charging, even in harsh weather conditions. This solar panel keeps your camera powered up without needing batteries or adapters. Simply let the sun do the work. It can withstand snow, rain, and extreme temperatures, ensuring your camera stays online, rain or shine. The flexible mount rotates 360 degrees, optimizing sun exposure throughout the year for maximum charging efficiency. With a 13-foot cable, you can position it strategically for best sunlight capture, maximizing its charging potential. This powerful solar panel provides a faster and more efficient charge than standard panels, keeping your camera always ready. The package includes 3 solar panels, mounting brackets, and screws for a quick and straightforward installation. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Blink outdoor camera, 3rd Gen XT/XT2. If you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. This 3-pack offers great value and long cables for flexible placement. If you need multiple solar panels for wider coverage and have a Blink outdoor camera, 3rd Gen, this is a great option. It's perfect for ensuring all your cameras are consistently powered by the sun. Number 4. Ankway Solar Panel for Camera. This innovative solar panel is designed to keep your security camera powered up and running, even in remote locations. It's a reliable and sustainable solution for your security needs. It boasts 7 watts of power, ensuring your camera receives sufficient energy throughout the day. This makes it perfect for various outdoor security applications. The extra-long 9.8-foot cable provides flexible placement options for your solar panel. You can easily position it to maximize sunlight exposure. It features a convenient 5V Type-C port for easy charging and is IP65 waterproof, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions. It's built to last. With its 360 degrees adjustable mounting bracket, you can optimize its angle to capture maximum sunlight, regardless of the sun's position. Enjoy reliable power all day long. It's incredibly easy to install and use. Simply connect it to your camera and let it harness the power of the sun. What we like. It boasts higher power output and a versatile Type-C connection. If you prioritize maximizing solar charging efficiency and need a highly adjustable mount, this is the one for you. It's ideal for users who want the most power from their solar panel. What people say. Works well, and I just slid it on the porch roof. It's lightweight, but it stays in place. Even if it blows off, I have the cord being held on by a cable holder. I tried 2 other solar chargers for outside wireless cam, but none of the jacks would engage correctly. This one has USB-C only and works perfectly. The 7W output and Type-C USB port provide sufficient power for maintaining charge levels on 5V devices used around the farm. The IP65 waterproof rating and well-sealed cable entries ensure that the panel is protected against environmental factors, reducing risks of water damage and corrosion. Number 3. Ankway Solar Panel for Camera. This innovative solar panel is designed to keep your security camera powered up and running, even in remote locations. It's a reliable and sustainable solution for your security needs. With 5 watts of power, it provides ample energy to charge your camera. Enjoy uninterrupted surveillance without worrying about battery life. The extra-long 9.8-foot cable offers flexible placement options for your solar panel. Find the perfect spot to maximize sunlight exposure. It features a convenient 5V Type-C port for easy and efficient charging. Simply plug it in and let it do its job. Built to withstand the elements, it's IP65 waterproof and weather-resistant. It can handle rain, snow, and other harsh conditions. The 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket allows you to customize its angle for optimal sun exposure. Get the most out of its solar charging capabilities. What we like. This model provides a good balance of power and features. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile solar charger with a Type-C port and 360 degrees adjustability, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for those who want a convenient and efficient charging solution. Number 2. Solar Security Cam. Say goodbye to charging hassles. This innovative solar panel keeps your camera powered up, day and night, using the sun's energy. It eliminates the need for frequent battery changes. Enjoy uninterrupted security, even in remote locations. It's built to withstand harsh weather conditions. Rain or shine, it keeps working, providing reliable protection. With its long cable and adjustable mount, you can easily position it for optimal sunlight exposure. Installation is a breeze. Just connect it to your camera's USB port and you're all set. It's that easy to install and use. It works with most DC-5V rechargeable cameras with micro USB or USB-C ports. Please check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This option offers a powerful 6W output and broad compatibility. If you need a powerful solar panel that works with various cameras and appreciate a long cable for flexible placement, this is a great pick. It's suitable for users who want a reliable and efficient charging solution for their security cameras. What people say. I like the bigger sizes it draws in more sun to keep my solar-powered cameras charged. Works on both of them. The solar panel works great. Even with low sunlight and overcast days it keeps my camera 95 to 100% charged. This small solar panel keeps my security camera charged. It is the best investment for me. Number 1. iTODOS Blink Solar Panel Kit. Power your Blink cameras continuously with this innovative solar panel kit. It's designed for worry-free outdoor surveillance, saving you time and effort. This kit is perfectly compatible with Blink Outdoor 4th and 3rd generation, XT3, XT2, and XT cameras. It ensures a constant power supply, no matter the weather. Built with durable monocrystalline silicon and aluminum alloy, it's waterproof, dustproof, and withstands extreme temperatures. It's designed for reliable performance in any condition. Enjoy a year of uninterrupted power with the built-in 2600 mAh rechargeable battery. Say goodbye to frequent battery changes and power adapters. This solar panel is rigorously tested to ensure lasting performance and compatibility. You can trust it to provide consistent power for your security system. Easily adjust the panel's angle to optimize sunlight capture. Get the most efficient power generation, regardless of your camera's location. What we like. It features a built-in battery for backup power and is specifically designed for Blink Outdoor 4. If you want uninterrupted power and a durable, long-lasting solar panel for your Blink 4 camera, this is the best option. It's perfect for ensuring your camera always has power, even on cloudy days. What people say. These panels deliver. Had several cloudy days after initial installation and they ran my Blink Gen 4 cameras just fine. Work great, have bought several. Been using outside for 2 years. They are a great. Had them for about 3 months now and haven't had any issues. Long battery life and definitely keep up with solar power. Made from good metal materials and all the hardware comes in the packaging. Easy installation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.